I'm going to be demonstrating my 15112 term project entitled Mitosis. So what I've created here is a mitosis simulator so that students who are learning biology can use this tutorial to walk through all the different stages in mitosis and see them actually occurring. So here's our main home screen, and as you can see here we have a menu box. So let's click on Mitosis Simulation. So you can see here in this box we have a picture of the cell, and this is currently the G1 stage. In this info box down here we have information about the current cell cycle stage that we are on. To advance the cell cycle stage, we can press the right arrow button. So we're going to do that now. Alright, now here we are on anaphase, which is one of the later cell cycle stages. So as you can see here again, we have our descriptive text explaining what stage of the cell this is and giving a brief overview of what's going on. Next, what we can do is go ahead and click on some of these organelles here. As you can see, the info box text changes to not only name what you've clicked on, but also to give a description of what it's doing right now. And also the color of the organelle is given so you can identify it here on this screen. So you can go ahead and click several different things and you can see information about whatever you've clicked on. Next, you also may have noticed as we've been going through the different cell cycle stages is we have an experimental options box over here. And what this box does is it's a bit more advanced knowledge about, it gives some more advanced information about the cell cycle stage that you're currently on. So for instance, here we have remove securin. So securin is this protein right here. So let's see what happens if we remove securin. So you can see here again the info box text has changed, and here we're given a description of exactly what happens if we were to remove the protein securin. And this sort of helps, this feature has been designed for more advanced students who already have a knowledge of mitosis, so that way they can learn deeper about the processes going on behind it, behind the cell cycle. And lastly, our last feature for the mitosis simulation is you can press the up arrow key and see an animation of what's occurring in the cell at that time. So if we click the up arrow key, we'll see the protein start moving around. That protein has just had a ubiquitin added, and now here this other protein is coming along to sever the bonds connecting the chromosomes. And the cell begins to divide. Once the animation is over, it will reset so that you can go ahead and play it again if you'd like. Now let's investigate some of the other options we have in our menu box here. Here we have a quiz. So if you click on the quiz, you have 10 questions about different things going on in the cell cycle. And to answer the questions, you simply click on what option you think is correct. So what is the first stage of mitosis? Let's see, let's try G1. As you can see, the info box text has changed again, and we are incorrect, as it tells us. So let's try another option. Prophase. We clicked that and we got that we were correct. So this way, using this quiz, you can help test yourself after you've gone through the mitosis simulation. And again, to advance the quiz questions, just as you do with the mitosis stages, you can click the right arrow button to advance the quiz. And that is all. That is my 15112 project. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.